We'll guide you through how to download and install the replay mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and quit Minecraft. Now go and open up a web browser. Before we get any further though, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. They've got so many awesome features and benefits, as you can see here. And if we scroll down, we can see even more awesome features they have as well, like 24/7 servers and support, so you can get the help anytime you need it, instant setup, one-click install mod packs, and so much more as well. If you're interested, you can get 30% off your first invoice right now, and there'll be a link down below in the comments and in the description, which you can go and check out. But to continue with the guide, what you want to do is go and type in replay mod CurseForge. CurseForge is a good place to get mods from. Then what you can do is go through the description here, but for now we're just going to go and download it and install it. So we can go and click on files. And you want to scroll down, and I like to go and get the most up-to-date one personally. As you can see here, that is for 1.20.4. So we can come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file. Now we can go and wait. After it's downloaded, do just come back here and then click on description, and you want to scroll down, and what we're going to need is FFmpeg as well. Here there's a hyperlink which you can click on, and then we can press continue. When you click there, it should go and get downloading. Now what we need is a mod loader. Now replay mod is for Fabric, so what you need to do is open up another tab, and you can go and type in Fabric Minecraft, just like so, and we can come to the site which is fabricmc.net. Then go and click on download, and click on download for Windows like so. You can get the universal jar, but I'm on Windows, so I use that one. And also get the Fabric API. So click here, then go and click on files, and make sure you get it for the same version as you got the instant replay mod for. So in this case, I got it for 1.20.4. Here it is. We can go over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file and go and wait. Now that we've finished downloading what we need, you can come out of your web browser and come into your file explorer. Now what we can do is come into our downloads, and we need to go and install Fabric. So go and double click on it, and you'll then go and get this pop-up. Now we need to choose the Minecraft version. Make sure you install the version that we got the replay mod for and the Fabric API, which is 1.20.4. Then with that selected, click on install and go and wait. As you can see, it's now finished. And now what we need to do is go and open up. Go to the top of the launcher and go and click on installations. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down like so until you see Fabric Loader. I've got a few different ones here for different versions. I got it for 1.20.4 though. Now go and hover over it and go over to the right and click on the file or folder icon, and your file explorer will open up. Now what you need to do is scroll down and go and find the mods folder, which is here, and you can then open it up. Then what you need to do is go back to your other file explorer or open it up. And what you then need to do is go and drag the Fabric API in there and also the replay mod, like so. Now, while you're here, you then need to go back to just .minecraft. You can click that at the top here or press the back button. You need to click on it and then click on extract all, or you can right click on it and do that and just go and extract it. Then what you can do is go in here, go into the bin folder and find the ffmpeg.exe, and you can drag that into your .minecraft folder. I'll go and drag it in just like so, and that's it. And then what we can do is come into Minecraft, go to the left of the play button and go and select the right version of Fabric. With it selected, click on play. You do need to understand you're taking risks as you're playing a modified version of Minecraft. It should be fine, and you can go and close off your file explorers as well. Now you're going to go and notice on your Minecraft home screen, you've got the replay viewer option. So you can click there, and here you'll be able to go and find your replays. Now we're going to make a full video on how you can go and use the replay mod, but you've now gone and got it installed. Hopefully when you're watching this, the video will be released and so you can go and check it out. But also, please consider subscribing and liking the video so you're kept up to date for future videos. We don't just do Minecraft videos, we do a wide range of tech topics, but we've also got a ton of Minecraft videos already on the channel, which you can check out as well.